Hey, it's Brian and Amy with WhyGolf. We're introducing the Alignment Disc Lite. We're really excited about it. Amy, talk about it a little bit.
Yeah, so this is going to be an awesome way for you guys to change your club path. There's a lot of different ways you can use it. I'm going to kind of show you probably the most standard way that we've utilized it. It's smaller than our typical alignment disc, which I think is really cool. There's different ways we can kind of like utilize it when we're swinging. And one way that I like a lot is you can use it so you can go over in the backswing and under in the downswing, which is really cool. So also if something happens and you hit it, it's not going to break your club. It's really easy to carry in your bag. So we're really excited about the Alignment Disc Lite, and I'm going to kind of show you how we use it. So I put it about 3/4 of a club length away from the ball in the back here. So I'm going to kind of set that down. There's 3 different angles here. I'm going to use the 58-degree angle for my 7-iron. There's kind of a driver setting and kind of a wedge setting and a 7-iron setting. That's kind of how I would look at the different angles there. And then we have another one here over here that I'm going to go over. So the goal here is to go over, under, over. And so this is going to help you guys that typically take the club too far inside, want to come over the top, cut across it, and slice the ball. So this is going to help us set the golf club up in our backswing so that we can come from the inside and hopefully hit a draw.
We're all looking forward to this draw. That sounded pretty good.
Yeah, I think that should be a good one.
There we go. Perfect draw.
Awesome.
6 into out.
Yeah, and you guys can see if we're using these things and we get the club out of position, it's not a big deal, right? We're just gonna go pick it up and put it back together. So the Alignment Disc Lite is awesome tool, little training aid that we're really excited about. So check it out.